Hi, I'm Amanda Caldwell, the conference manager for AEJMC, and I'm here with Samantha Higgins, our public relations manager. And today we're going to give you a brief tutorial of our virtual conference platform and all of the great features that you'll be able to experience during our upcoming 2020 AEJMC 103rd Annual Conference. We're really glad to have you guys joining us this year. Through trials and tribulations, we've made it, and we hope this makes your experience a little easier. So first, I wanted to show you the landing site. This website is listed in the email that you received with your unique login and password credentials. So this website is aejmc2020.vfairs.com. This is the only website you will be able to access the virtual platform from. You must log in here where it says login. If for some reason you misplace this website, you can always visit our general conference website through the AEJMC website, and you can go to the virtual conference as well. There's a lot of great information, so please be sure to check this page out. One great resource that might help you through your conference experience is the best practices document, where it talks about poster sessions, moderators, speakers, and all of the different roles. So please be sure to check out our conference microsite. Okay, so now you are in your first day of conference and you're ready to log in and get started. We were going to click login. You are going to use the login and password that is unique to you that you received through email and your password. Please remember to not share this information with anybody. The more secure we can keep the site, the better our conference will be without having any unwanted interruptions. Sorry, I've gone through this spiel a couple times. All right, so we're going to click login, and here you are. You are now in the AEJMC virtual platform. Here is the access to our entire conference. In our wonderful lobby, we have a nice message from this year's president, Dr. David D. Perlmutter of Texas Tech University, and his welcome for the year. We also have our wonderful sponsors and the access to all the different rooms within the platform. All of these words will be clickable and will take you to different areas of interest. There's a couple key points that I want to mention here in the lobby. First is our AEJMC info desk. We will always have a staff person here during the regular conference hours where you can click into the desk and chat with somebody from our staff in the central office should you have any questions regarding programming, where a session may be located, or the time of the session. Another big feature is up here in the top right-hand corner. This is the technical assistance. If you're having technical difficulties with the site or how to use the site, you can always contact customer support at vfairs.com. This tab and link is on every single page within the site, so you do not have to come back to the lobby to access that customer support tab. So again, as you first come in, you will be dropped into the lobby, and you now have an array of different locations you can go to. You do not, if you click into a page, you do not have to come back to the lobby to access another page. You'll see there's a toolbar at the top of the page where you can also access all the different locations. First, we're going to drop into the dig hall. So if you want to learn more information about specific divisions or interest groups, you can visit us in the dig fair, where you will be able to see all of our different 30 divisions and interest groups. And you can also click here on the tent and the sitter if you would like to join a specific division or interest group. Your group may be using their booth as a place to congregate and have conversations outside of sessions. So please be sure to visit your division or interest group's booth and follow up in the chat comments. Next is our exhibit hall. You'll be able to take part in the exhibit area just like we would in a regular in-person conference. We have some wonderful exhibitors this year, and we also have some information about AEJMC and ASJMC. We also have put some things on some past spotlights. So if you missed some of those wonderful spotlights that have taken place over the last 3 years in the exhibit hall, you can access that information on reflecting on spotlights. Once you click into a booth, you'll be taken into the exhibit hall. Here, you'll be able to see each individual booth. and all of the resources that they have provided for you. One great feature for this conference and that is available through this platform is our documents and our swag bag. So if you're in a specific booth, you'll see there may be a list of documents. For instance, our senior and emerging scholars calls. You can click add to my swag bag. That's been now added to my personal briefcase. We'll talk a little bit more about this in our next tab. However, you could also view that document at that time and direct download it to your computer or print it if you would rather do it at that time. So please be sure to check out our exhibit hall and go back to the floor, and you can view all of our wonderful exhibitors and our divisions and interest groups. Now, as I said about that swag bag, you can upload and save items to your swag bag throughout the entire conference. All you have to do when you see a desired PDF is add to swag bag. Now, all of those documents will be listed here, and at the end of your conference experience, you can click email, and they'll be emailed directly to you in one neat and tidy message. Here in the Resource Center, if you remember you saw a document in a booth and you don't want to have to go back to the booth, you can come here to the Resource Center, and you can select by booth, or you could select all booths and see all of the different documents that have been uploaded throughout the entire conference. So if you have some time to just peruse what the different groups have uploaded, please do so. And again, here you'll be able to add to your swag bag. Now we're going to get into some of the more nitty-gritty. First, let's talk about our poster sessions. So we have poster sessions on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's say you have a poster presenting on Friday in the morning. You will click on the day. So it is broken up into two categories. You have your day and your time block. You will select the day of your desired session and the time of your desired session. Once you locate your poster that you wanted to view, all you have to do is click join. Once you join, you are now dropped into that poster. So we can see this wonderful presentation and a Q&A box here to the right-hand side. This is going to be the location that the poster presenter will be able to correspond with attendees, discussants, and different visitors. Please leave any comments for the presenter here, and they will respond. You are required to be present at your poster during your scheduled time to answer any questions. However, we also recommend that you check back on your poster throughout the entire conference, as people may pop in and out and leave additional comments. The posters will be up live through the entire conference, not just during your designated time. Once you exit out, it's going to take you back directly to the list that you were originally on. So again, you can just scroll through and see your desired poster. If you're having trouble locating a poster, the search bar, unfortunately, will not search by name or group. We do recommend that you use either your printed program that you received by mail or the digital program that you can locate on the conference microsite to use the index or search through the program copy. Now on to breakout sessions. When we click into the breakout sessions, you're going to be taken to this auditorium. I would like to highlight that this breakout session tab is the meat and potatoes of our conference. It is where every session is housed, whether it be a committee meeting, a business meeting, large generals type sessions, breakout sessions, not posters, but paper presentations, panels, research, special events, luncheon type events that we're having this year, award presentations, and socials are all housed under the breakout sessions. Again, just like in the poster sessions, you will click on the breakout session, click to view the sessions, and you'll be given again the list of days and times. So we're not showing exactly the breakout sessions right now, as those are live Zooms, and so they will be live at the time of the conference. But just like in a poster, you're going to have the name of the session, and then we will have the title, the group's sponsoring the session or group sponsoring the session, the name of the moderator, speakers, and program copy. And here again, you will have a join button. That join button will drop you directly into your Zoom call. No link or meeting ID number is required. All you do is click join and you are now in your Zoom call. You will use Zoom like you would on any other Zoom link that you would click on even outside of a platform, as it is the exact same program. All the features within Zoom are the same. When you click into your Zoom call, you will be on mute. However, your video will be on. So if you would like to turn your video off, you will need to do so. Please remember to be prepared for your session when you join. If you are presenting some sort of digital work that will be shared with everyone, have that work already up on your computer as to not delay your session. Everyone will have screen sharing privileges, so don't feel concerned that you won't be able to share. Again, your moderator will keep time of your session and keep everybody on track, but use your best Zoom etiquette. If you're unfamiliar with some of the Zoom features, you can visit zoom.us, where they have some wonderful tutorial videos to talk about specific functionality within the Zoom platform. Okay, and here right now we don't have our times listed, but you will see a countdown as to when you can join that session. You will not be able to join a Zoom until 3 minutes prior to its start time. So if your session starts at 8 a.m. Pacific time, as our conference is taking place synchronously in the Pacific time zone, you will be able to get in at 8:12 a.m. However, you will be able to continue to join throughout the entire session. You just cannot join any sooner than 3 minutes prior. You can join again throughout the entire session. So if you would like to leave one session and view another in that same time block, simply click on the Leave Meeting button within your Zoom call, come back to the list of sessions, find your next session, and click Join. You will be admitted access to that session as well, though it has already started. We hope you enjoy your conference, and we would love to see you take part in our conference competition this year on our leaderboard. So one great feature that we don't normally get to track is how many people are in sessions and what sessions are you attending. This year, try to win by attending the most sessions, taking part in the most booth chats, and viewing documents that our groups have taken the time to upload. You will receive a grand prize for the person who attends the most sessions. We also have a wonderful scavenger hunt throughout the entire conference platform. So as you're navigating throughout the site, please take notice of a little hidden figure throughout the site that you can click on to gain those points. You too could receive a prize for that. Finally, I'd like to point out the lounge. This is a nice a place to go if you have time in between sessions to go to the Chat with Colleagues feature. This is a text chat option. It is not a video chat. However, if you run out of time at the end of a session and you would like to continue a conversation, come to Chat with Colleagues and continue those conversations. Again, we want to thank you for taking the time to participate in our conference this year. We hope you all have a wonderful experience, and we look forward to seeing you all on August the 6th. Thank you.